What's up guys, Odie Buckshees here, Pro Formula Drift driver, also president of Feal Suspension. Today we're going to talk about the 441 kit versus the 441 Plus. Honestly, these are the same shocks, same valving, same shock body, same hardware. One big difference though, the 441 Plus comes with a Swift spring, which is a spring made in Japan out of very lightweight metal. So the spring reacts fast, it has more stroke, it is a premium spring, which means the coilover kit costs a little bit more than our 441 kit. The 441 kit also is locked in the spring rate that you see listed on our website. The 441 Plus kit allows you to deviate plus or minus 2 kilograms because our valving can deal with that. If you want to take it a step beyond that and valve this shock for road racing or some sort of specific discipline or use, we can definitely do that as well. And then we can pick and choose the appropriate Swift spring rate. So the two big differences are this comes with a Swift spring, and also the 441 Plus kit could be custom valve. The 441 kit comes with the way that we set it up. There's obviously a price difference. If you're unsure of which one is the appropriate one for your car, give us a call or check out some of the details on our website.